Welcome to C.S.L. Official. This is English Conversation for Beginners, Part 2.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Michael. My name is Michael.
How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name?
Michael.
Are you the oldest child in your family? Are you the oldest child in your family?
No, I'm the youngest. No, I'm the youngest.
How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family?
There are 6 people. There are 6 people.
Where is your hometown? Where is your hometown?
I was born in Hong Kong. I was born in Hong Kong.
When were you born? When were you born?
I was born on January 12, 2002.
How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages: Chinese, English, and Korean.
Do you play guitar? Do you play guitar?
Yes, but not very well. Yes, but not very well.
Who cooks for your family? Who cooks for your family?
It's my mother. I only help her sometimes.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11:30.
What time do you get up? What time do you get up?
Sometimes at 5:30. And sometimes at 6 or a little faster.
How do you go to school? How do you go to school?
I go to school by bike. I go to school by bike.
How long does it take for you to go to school? How long does it take for you to go to school?
Not very long. It takes about 15 minutes. Not very long. It takes about 15 minutes.
What are your favorite subjects at school? What are your favorite subjects at school?
I like math and physics. I like math and physics.
Wow! You must be very good at math.
Not really. But I like it a lot. Not really. But I like it a lot.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim very well. Yes, I can swim very well.
Have you ever been to other countries? Have you ever been to other countries?
Yes, I've been to Vietnam and Singapore. Yes, I've been to Vietnam and Singapore.
What do you like about Singapore? What do you like about Singapore?
I like the food and the people. They are very friendly.
It's worth talking with you. It's worth talking with you.
I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it.